This case considered the issue of competing interests and whether or not an unexecuted contract that was registered had priority over a subsequent executed contract. In this case, a contract for the sale of a property was entered into, and a deposit was paid by the purchaser. However, before the contract was completed, the purchaser decided to register the contract because he had heard that the vendor had sold the property to another purchaser. The first purchaser brought an action for specific performance against the vendor, and the first purchaser argued that his registered contract had priority over the second contract. The vendor argued, however, that the first contract had ceased to be effective. The second purchaser argued that they had entered into the contract without knowledge of the first purchaser's claim and proceeded to spend money and do work on the property. The central issue for the court, therefore, was whether or not the registered contract did have priority over the second contract. The court ultimately held that the second purchaser